Disabling two-factor authentication on Stripe is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option, usually found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select the Security section. This area contains options related to your account security features, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or similar. Click on it, and you should see an option to disable or turn off the feature. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may need to verify your identity through a confirmation code sent to your email or phone. Complete this step to finalize the changes. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Stripe account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.